number you have called is currently unavailable because we're out by the lake, enjoying the sunshine, good company, and the best of our car culture. Try again next year.
24/7 breeze. Yeah. Wake up, wake up. You keep missing out, should've stayed up. He got blacklisted, should've paid up. Pound coins in the piggy bank, gotta save up. Slept on the floor, never gave up. Now my ex-girl wanna kiss and make up. Man hate on the slide, got bait up. Word to Birmingham, I had to go straight up. Now they like, wait up, hold on. SK level, that's so gone. They wanna know how everything's sold out. Which website do your shoes get sold on? With a style like this, I can't go wrong. Put my clothes on, put my gold on. Thought that I was a victim, you were so wrong. Get sprayed up, you tryna roll on, shows on. Look at the girls in the line. Man, I got milfs in love with the words that I rhyme. Even though I swear and I curse all the time. Saw me on the front cover of the magazine and she said that it's perfectly fine. Now she got the bees and the birds on her mind. Cause I could do uptown, I could do breezy. Yeah, I stay blurring the lines. I'm just minding my business, no we ain't watching anyone else. Wanna hate on me, that's useless. Truth is that you must hate yourself. Round here, everybody wanna be a millionaire so they can buy guns and smoke. It's so funny how quick they get rich then go broke, but it's not a laughing joke. I'm just minding my business, no we ain't watching anyone else. Wanna hate on me, that's useless. Truth is that you must hate yourself. Round here, everybody wanna be a millionaire so they can buy guns and smoke. It's so funny how quick they get rich then go broke, but it's not a laughing joke.